In the past few months, average of 85% of real estate inquiry are looking for a ready for occupancy house. Sa totoo lang, talagang ready for occupancy ang hinahanap ng mga client ngayon. Katunayan, meron tayong isang client na luckily naka-avail siya ng ongoing house construction dahil nga wala nang available na ready for occupancy. Kaya ang na-avail niya is yung ongoing house construction. At this month, we have a very good opportunity for you. For a minimum of 20% down payment, equivalent lang yan ng 246K para sa Nano Light Bungalow House. May provision yan for 2 bedrooms, car garage, and toilet and bath. And then, the 10% ng presyo pwedeng bayaran into 3 months to pay habang ginagawa yung bahay, which is 42,667 per month. Yan ang good opportunity naman para mabilis ding makalipat. Another investment option opportunity, pwede naman din na magbabayad ka lang ng 22,833 kada buwan kung 1 year mo pa balak lumipat. At 11,917 kung 2 years mo pa planong lumipat. At 8,500 kada buwan kung 3 years mo pa planong lumipat. At Pag-ibig Financing yung balance na average 8,067 per month for 30 years. Sa ganung halaga lang, meron ka ng bungalow, house model with 35 square meter floor area and 80 square meter lot area. In addition sa ating lot size, pwede kayong bumili ng 2 lots. Kaya grab na! This once in a lifetime real estate investment is specially for you.